What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this new addition job, and as you can see, the walls are going up pretty quick. We have all of the walls off the trailer. We have two of them left right here. We got one right here which is ready to be stood up right there. They're just nailing off the tops to lock them in together. The slab came out very nice. When I was here yesterday dropping this trailer off, the guys were just finishing this slab, but it looks very nice. It's all going to be covered anyway once the flooring's on, but they did all up here. They did the little slab down here where the stairwell goes, and it looks very nice. One thing I didn't know that was happening yesterday when I dropped this trailer off is I didn't know we were getting a lumber delivery, and of course it is blocking my trailer in. So once we get these walls, I forgot we have two more walls here, but once we get all of these walls out of the way, I'm gonna hop in the skid steer and start moving all this stuff. We got some plywood in the front, bunch of rafter material and ceiling beam material, and then some 5/4 on top, couple 2x4s. So luckily I have forks and our skid steer here. I can move it all out of the way, back my truck in here, connect to the trailer. Later we're running to grab a bunch of wire mesh. Half of it is going to be for a project up at our Dutchess yard, and then the other half of it I'm leaving at our shop. So I need to get the trailer out and get over to the place, get it loaded, and drag it back upstate with me at the end of the day. But obviously we have quite a bit of stuff in the way here, so once we get the rest of these walls out of the way, we'll start moving some stuff around here. All right guys, so we got all the walls except that one is for down there. It is framed longer than it needs to be, so it needs to be cut down before we can put it in place. But all the other walls are, all the exterior walls and the center wall are in. The interior 2x4 walls, and there's one 2x6 wall for all the water lines there. Those are all stacked in the middle, so we don't have to try and sneak them in. But now it is time to get this trailer out of here. So I'm gonna hop in the skid steer, move all these piles of lumber, then I'll back my truck in here. We'll drag it out, and then I can put the lumber back here. Alright guys, I just got all of the wire mesh loaded up on my trailer, strapped down back here. The front obviously is not going to go anywhere, but I have to get to our shop and take half of it off and leave half of it in our shop. The other half is going to go up to our Dutchess yard with me, so I need to get over there, untie it. They're all tied together, and pull about half of it off. I'm going to try and do exactly half. I'll count them. I think there's 100 pieces, so it should be 50 and 50. Alright guys, I just got the trailer disconnected from my Colorado. Wire mesh is here. I'm leaving the trailer here for the time being. When we need the wire mesh, we can pull it off of it, or if we need the trailer at some point, we can unload it. We have plenty of pieces of equipment here to unload it, but I'm about to load all of this material over here onto the ladder rack of my truck and bring it down. These are all the top plates for the walls that we threw up earlier today. So that is going to be tomorrow's video. I'm about to start recording it now and then pick it back up in the morning. So if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.